Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. I'm the owner of Atelier Allemande. The word atelier is French and it means studio in English. For the word Allemande, which means German in English, it has a different meaning here. I remember being corrected by removing the last letter E because the word atelier is masculine. Allemande should not have a letter E at the end because it's a masculine adjective. In fact, Allemande here means the first movement of the Baroque suites of dance. It's a genre of music as well. I chose Allemande as the name of my company because I think that the plume is like an Allemande dancer dancing elegantly on a piece of paper when I do calligraphy. Allemande is also a genre of music that I always like to play. The logo of Atelier Allemande is a plume paint brush, which implies that I do calligraphy and painting. My favorite mediums for making art are charcoal, graphite pencils, oil, gouache, watercolor, and acrylic. The genres of my work are copperplate, Gothic, Romance calligraphy, bird flourishing, map drawing, origami, coat of arms, Baroque ornament, traditional oil and acrylic paintings. This is a brief introduction of Atelier Allemande. Please check out my other videos, Etsy shop, Facebook, and Instagram for more. If you also like art or want to know more about art, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell. You will get the latest information immediately. Thanks for watching.